Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's session, we are going to start the next poem, The Kite. The poem The Kite is written by Harry Bain. Harry Bain is an American screenwriter and children's author. He was involved in writing scenes and continuities for a number of screenplays, including the war film The Big Parade in 1925 and Hell's Angels. He graduated from Harvard University. It is a brief introduction of the poet. He was an American citizen of America and screenwriter and children's author. Screenwriter means a person who writes stories for movies or films. A person who writes conversation for movies or films is called screenwriter, and children's author. He would write the stories for children, poems for children. He was involved in writing scenes and continuities for a number of screenplays. He wrote many screenplays for the movies, including the war film The Big Parade in 1925. He wrote the screenplay for the movie The Big Parade, and one more, Hell's Angels. He was graduated from Harvard University. This is a brief introduction of the poet. Here we have the poem. Before starting the poem, let us know the pre-reading activity. All of us like to fly kites. Yes, it is true. Everyone is fond of kite flying activity. In schools, the kite flying competition will be held, and children and youngsters go for kite flying in their leisure time, and there will be the suitable atmosphere, environment, right? Have you ever tried to fly one? Ask this question to yourself. Have you ever tried? Have you ever taken part of this activity? Yes, it is very enjoyable. Read this poem about a kite as it flies in the sky. Yes, let us go through the poem. First, I will recite it. How bright on the blue is a kite when it is new. How bright on the blue is a kite when it is new. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail. Then soars like a ship with only a sail. Then soars like a ship with only a sail. As over tides of wind it rides. As over tides of wind it rides. Climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls. Climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls. Then seems to rest as wind falls. Then seems to rest as wind falls. When string goes slack, when string goes slack, you wind it back. When string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows. And run until a new breeze blows. And its wings fill and up it goes. And its wings fill and up it goes. How bright on the blue is a kite when it is new. How bright on the blue is a kite when it is new. But a rarer thing you never will see. But rarer thing you will never see. You never will see. When it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. When it flaps on the tree on a string in the top of a tree. This is a poem. Recite it once again. Before starting the meaning of the poem, let us go through the new words. Dive and a dip. Dive and a dip means to go into water with the force and softness together. It is a beginning of a swimming. How the swimmer that they enter into the swimming pool. Dive and a dip. Diving is related to that. To go into a water with a force and softness together. Dive and a dip is an action word. It is related to swimming, right? Here it is compared. The movement of the kite is compared like a swimmer. Snaps. Snaps means cracking sound. Cracking sound. Snaps means cracking sound. Blue. It is a color. Blue is a color. But here it is used for the clear sky without clouds. Blue is referring the sky without clouds. In the summer we can find it, the clear blue sky. In rainy days it is cloudy, it is often dull, right? Blue refers here sky, clear sky. Next one, source. Source means fly high. Fly high. The birds soar the birds soar in the sky means they fly high in the sky. The eagle soars in the sky. Soar means fly high. Climbs. Climbs means to go up, at up. Climbs means good to go up. Sail, a cloth on a ship or a boat used to catch wind and help the boat to propel. The cloth which is fixed for the ship to carry it from with the help of the wind. Here we can observe that. Next one, tides, rising and falling waves. In this picture you can observe the rising and falling waves of ocean or sea are called tides. Crest, mountain top or a tuft of feathers on the head of a bird or animal. Crest is another word. It has another meaning, that is a shape of a moon, basis of a moon. It is related to that. In this context, it refers the mountain top or a tuft of feathers on the head of a bird or animal. Next one, slack. Slack means loose. When we fly kite, at the time we loosen the thread, that is slack. Rasder. Rasder means torn, tattered, old one. These are the new words. You have to write these new words and be ready for the poem. Let us go through the poem in the next session. Let us discuss the meaning of the poem in the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.